Hey you guys, it's Tiki Bar Sam, and this is at Sam's Tiki Bar, and today we are gonna make a peanut butter martini. Yes, I went to my buddy's house, my wife had a peanut butter martini, she loved it, so I'm making it for her. Now, you haven't noticed, we have a guest star on Tiki Bar Sam today. This was made by my friend Steve Antinachi. It's a 3D printed thingy, and it took 14 hours to do. So I'm going to name this Steve. So this is Steve's head, and I'll probably put candy in it or something. And but it's cool looking. Look at it. It's all different colors. Yeah, he may be a small one too. Look, this is the baby version, but this is the big version. I know, how cool. So then all my friends are contributing. So anyway, let's make this peanut butter martini. Already in here, I have some ice, and I also put in some peanut butter, some actual peanut butter. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to create this drink. And the first thing that we wanna use is peanut butter whiskey. So let's put in 1 ounce of peanut butter whiskey. So there we go, we're gonna put that right in there. Move Steve out of the way. Then after we do that, we are going to put in 1 ounce of caramel vodka. I'm putting on the wrong lid. Caramel vodka. I just bought this for this drink actually because it sounds pretty good. So then we're going to put in 1 ounce of caramel vodka. There we go. And I'm using Smirnoff vodka. Oh, and for the peanut butter whiskey, I'm just using Skrewball peanut butter whiskey. So then we're going to put in the vodka. Then we need 1 ounce of Baileys. So here we go with the Baileys. Put that in there. And now we're going to put in 1 ounce of Kahlúa. And you know what? I'm going to make it a little bit more fancy. If I can find my chocolate bitters. There we go. There it goes in the Kahlúa. And oh, here are my Aztec Chocolate Bitters. I'm going to do 2 dashes. 1, 2. There we go. I'm going to have 2.5. So anyway, then we're going to shake it. You know what? I'm going to try one-handed. I saw this online. People were doing it. I don't know how they... I like to do 2 hands, but 1 hand... Get more fancy. There we go. Now, what I bought today, I was at Trader Joe's. I got this. It's like Hershey's chocolate syrup, but it's called Organic Midnight Moo Chocolate Syrup. So I'm going to lace the cup with this, or the martini thing. All right, there we go. And then pop this off. Let's strain this into this martini cup. Oh, wow. Here it comes. This is crazy. There. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I might have overdid it with the chocolate sauce. But let's see what it tastes like. Ooh. That's good. Wow. That's delicious. My goodness. Sort of tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup for adults. This is great. I totally overdid it on the chocolate sauce. Maybe if you kept the chocolate sauce in a refrigerator, maybe it would work out a little bit better. But I didn't do that. I just got home. So anyway, this is delicious. So, what movie should I recommend today? I'd recommend Willy Wonka, especially for a drink like this. It's chocolate, it's peanut butter. What could go wrong? Highly recommend trying this drink. It's delicious. It's the Peanut Butter Martini. And as always, this is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a happy weekend and a great day. Okay, have a good night. Bye-bye.